it is, a blessing from Suprasteria to have a crèche facility here. That today I'm able to manage my professional and personal life both. When this confidence is given to me by Suprasteria, now I can, rely on them. Yes, my kids are safe and I can work same time and I can meet them. So thank you so much, Suprasteria, for providing such a great environment.
It's only because of the crèche facilities provided by Supra that I have been able to strike a balance between my personal and professional life. It enables me to manage my work and my kid parallelly. And my kid is also learning a lot of things, enjoying with other kids, meeting with people, and he's able to socialize as well.
I found the crèche very beneficial for me, as all the staffs here is very supportive and very caring. They take care of everything for my kid. So overall, this experience is very good for me.
My son joined the crèche when he was 7 months old, and now he is 15 months old. The crèche facility provided seamless transition of work for me and my husband. The proximity at the crèche not only encourages peace of mind, but I can regularly interact with my son.
We can come down and we can take care of our children, and then again we go back and then work on activities. One part is like she never slept at home. Here it's the magic, so I'm really happy with this facility of Suprasteria. It's really a boon for me.
Thank you so much, Suprasteria, for giving us this crèche facility to us. It is really helping people like us who are living in a nuclear family, and we can always come down to crèche to take care of our kid. In the meantime, we can also balance our work.
The crèche facility at office has been a boon. My child is taken good care here at the crèche, and all the caretakers have been really nice and friendly. I'm able to concentrate more on my work, and everything is awesome here.
Recently, I came back from my maternity leave. As a mother, my experience had been a roller coaster of deep joy and emotions. So, crèche facility has a wonderful and supportive staff who take care of my baby. Suprasteria is a place where employee can leave their child in a crèche facility. So, I would like to thank to all the staff members.
इस कंपनी ने मुझे वो दिया कि किसी ने नहीं दिया होगा. जब इंसान का सब कुछ छिन जाता है, उस समय अगर आपको कुछ जीने का मौका मिलता है, तो वो ये कंपनी है जिसने मुझे जीना सिखाया. क्रच वो है जिससे मुझे सब कुछ खुशी मिलती है. चाहे मेरी बेटी कितनी भी बड़ी हो गई है, पर आज भी मेरे लिए सब कुछ यही है. ये मेरा परिवार है, यही मेरी एक जान है.
Happy Mother's Day to all of you.
Happy Mother's Day.
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 Happy Mother's Day.